All right, let's get down to the New York Stock Exchange. Jim Cramer joins us right now. Hey, Jim, we are still trying to get our arms around what happened yesterday with the CPI number, whether or not that's hugely significant, whether that's the beginning of a trend or not, and what the reaction is going to be in the markets. I mean, we're looking at the futures up this morning. How do you feel about watching the futures up after seeing that big run yesterday?
Well, I think that actually makes some sense. We saw the dollar plummet the most it had in 7 years. We saw the 2-year go back under 4.5 Veterans Day today, so close. We saw a lot of the companies that have been doing well, whose stock had been going down anyway, start rallying. And I felt that it was the beginning, because the parts of the CPI that had cooled will lead to other parts of the CPI that are cooling, also will lead to layoffs. And that's what the Fed needs, is layoffs, and it needs to see wages level off. And these were all forerunners of that. So I appreciate yesterday. I think it was very for real.
I was listening to you yesterday, and one of the points you made that really stuck with me was just the idea that if the dollar has peaked here, and you mentioned biggest decline for the dollar since 2009 yesterday, if the dollar has peaked here, that means some pretty good things for companies that were getting killed by the higher dollar.
Yes, Becky, I mean, it's really the first thing it's said on most of the conference calls, which is that X currency, and we don't buy it anymore. We don't buy it because X currency, in this case, is often someone from Europe got a better deal than you, or Komatsu did better than Caterpillar. And I just think these are very for real things. And when you get the trifecta of the dollar going down, interest rates going down, and earnings actually going up because of the dollar, I like it. Led by semis, which, again, is a beaten-down group. And I know there are people like Carl Icahn, obviously he's bearish, but, you know, it's so easy to be rich and be a bear. I mean, do you really have to stick your neck out and say it's time to buy Qualcomm if you're rich? No. And so I take it for granted that rich people are going to say that you shouldn't be in, because you only need to get rich once. But people who are trying to get rich, who are watching our show, should know that this is an interesting opportunity. Maybe you can have some stocks come back a little. Don't be tempted by Intel. Intel's just not doing well. But
some people only need to get rich once if they're smart about it, how they play it. Others,
well, I mean, we've seen I learned that at Goldman.
Lots of money disappear in the last couple of weeks.
Well, those people leveraged. They bought the sand. You know, well, we all know. Do we really have to go into the crypto nightmare?